The following triple threat match is scheduled for one fall.
That's good. They're good. I like these guys.
Yeah, we're taking over.
Introducing first, from the other side of the tracks, weighing in at 185 pounds, Bobby Wayward.
He's a fan favorite.
Introducing next, from the Ryan Orchards, weighing in at 213 pounds, the Bad Apple, Macintosh! Introducing next, from south of heaven, weighing in at 178 pounds, Azrieal!
Hey everybody, Pat Buck here, calling commentary, calling the in-ring action here at WrestlePro in Brooklyn. Join along, Dave Destruction.
Nobody's called me Destruction in like 3 years.
What do you call you?
My name.
Sergio?
Here we go.
A little distracted here, gonna ring the bell.
So here we go now, a debut, Pat. We found another debut here at WrestlePro. You might know him more than I do. Azrieal, he's one of those enigmas. You got to figure him out.
Azrael's no stranger to the independent scene. High flyer. The name Azrieal means to angel of destruction. Known this man for many years. High flying competitor.
And he's in there with two of the best we got, Bobby Wayward and Matt Macintosh.
Oh,
head stop. Oh, caution to the wind early. Look at this. Wow, whoa. Bending him like a pretzel right in the middle of the ring. Look at the quad strength of Bobby Wayward. My goodness.
Wayward looking for a break, but it caught a boot to the midsection.
Up and over, but landing on the apron. Blocks the fist, and now a huge kick to the side of the face. Here goes Matt Macintosh.
Oh,
look at that. You want to talk about innovative offense. He's rewriting the book. Now Bobby Wayward in control here with Macintosh. Azrieal on the outside. One fall to a finish.
the name of the game is isolation. You got to get one person out of the ring. You want to pick up the victory in a triple threat match. A lot of competitors hate multi-man matches. So much can go on. You don't have to lose or be pinned or submit to lose the match. A lot can hit you from all angles, and right now Wayward's trying to capitalize.
That's a big, big factor, folks. It's about winning these types of matches and trying to avoid a way to lose. So now Azrieal coming back on the offense. Look at that!
Oh,
Hurricane Rana right in the middle of the ring, sending Macintosh to the outside. And now Wayward taking full advantage of the one-on-one contest here now.
Wayward, more the grounded competitor, keeps it on the floor, likes to apply submissions, kicks, strikes. Azrieal's more of an aerial artist. Macintosh kind of parlays his skills into each and every realm. All three men about equal size.
Yeah, you could have said, I mean, introducing these guys relatively in the realm of 10-pound difference either way.
All three men, cardio condition is superior. Look at Macintosh, picks the ankle. Ever the opportunist.
Apple picking on the outside is Matt Macintosh. Setting him down, a kick right to the back of the head.
Hard roundhouse.
Oh!
There's a German apple for you.
Unbelievable. Macintosh on fire.
Missile drop kick.
Oh my goodness!
What a maneuver!
I don't know if he got
He's
all
up to
of
his
it.
feet. How is that possible?
I think he might have gotten the knees up. Oh, and a cutter and a spike! Spiking like Gronkowski, my goodness.
That move by Macintosh, a wake-up call to Azrieal.
Oh, kick
Wait,
to the
we're
mid-
going low.
There we go.
High.
Look at the strength. He muscles him over.
Fisherman suplex. Azrieal smart, roll on the outside. Damage is done, get out of there. But again, you don't have to be pinned to lose the matchup.
Here we go now.
O'Connor roll up. Dives through, going for a pump handle variation.
Look at this.
He has him up. That's got to be it.
Oh my goodness.
He's got it.
Here is your winner, Matt McIntyre.
Talk about a statement win right off the bat. He's been having a heck of a year, Pat.
This guy's on fire, and I hope everyone can tune in to see him face Super Crazy November 9th live on Fight TV to watch WrestlePro action. Matt McIntosh, one of WrestlePro's finest.